Hi everyone, this is Susie. So today we're going to be making overnight oatmeal, and in my last video I had told you that I was going to give you another recipe for your cinnamon tea, and this is it. So these are the ingredients we'll be needing. I have some old-fashioned oats, some chia seeds, fresh blueberries, cinnamon, coconut water or homemade cinnamon tea, unsweetened soy milk. This is optional, some protein powder, and some maple syrup. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so I have half a cup of oats, and you're going to need a total of 3/4 of a cup of liquid. I have 1/3 of a cup of the cinnamon tea, but if you don't have the cinnamon tea, you can always use just coconut water and it tastes good. And then I have half a cup of unsweetened soy milk. If you add milk that already is sweetened, then you probably don't need the maple syrup, but that's up to you. And then I have half of a tablespoon of chia seeds, and I'm going to add a little dash of ground cinnamon. That's optional, of course. Okay, so I have half of a tablespoon of maple syrup, and then I add the protein powder. This also is optional, and it's not really going to make a difference to the amount of liquid that you add to it. And you can add, so like let's say if you usually have like a smoothie or something in the morning, but you're not going to have a smoothie that day and you still want to have your protein powder, you can just add like 1 scoop of it. You're just going to mix that in. Okay, and then you also want to check if this already is sweetened, you might not need the maple syrup, so just keep that in mind. And then you put it in your mold or whatever, and now you add your blueberries nicely. That's what it looks like. Okay, so now you just cover it up and you're going to put it in your refrigerator, and it's going to be ready for you in the morning. And I think that's it. So if you guys have any questions, please let me know. And also, this protein, in case you were wondering, this is vanilla flavor, I guess. And it's really good. The only thing is that it has, to me, it tastes a little bit like it has stevia, so it has a little bit of aftertaste. It doesn't say that it has stevia, but it tastes to me like stevia. But other than that, if you're not bothered by the stevia flavor, I think you'll like it. It's really good. I think it's very flavorful, so I do recommend this one. And I got this at Whole Foods, just so you know. Okay, so I think that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye.